Hello and welcome to 88 Restaurants. Today's video is the first of a 4-part series going over our table management feature. While it may seem complex, by the end of this video you will understand how to create a floor plan for your restaurant, how to add and delete tables from the floor plan, as well as how to break your floor plan into different layouts in order to manage different sections. Let's get started. From any page you can click on the tables link in the header. If you have not already created a floor plan, you will be brought to this screen, which is where you can build one. On the left column, you will see the tables drop-down. You will see all of our table types as well as dividers, which can act as walls or simply a way to divide sections. To add a table to the floor plan, just click on the table type you would like to add. Then drag it to wherever you need. And then you can add the table number, as well as set the seat count. Then click on the Set Properties button, and your table is complete and added to the floor plan. If you then need to edit the table, you can simply click on the table and change either of the properties. To separate areas, you can use dividers. Just click on the divider button, and a divider will be added to the floor plan. You can then drag it to wherever it's needed. You can lengthen or shorten it, as well as make it thicker or thinner. You also can rotate it like so. We recommend you follow this process to build out your entire restaurant's floor plan, including any separate rooms, patios, or upstairs dining areas. The reason we recommend you build out the entire floor plan here is because this will act as your base floor plan. Later we will go over how to extract these different rooms and areas into their own layout. As you can see, I've built up an example floor plan. In this example I have two sections, the main dining room as well as an outdoor patio, which is separated by a divider. With the floor plan ready, you must hit the Save Floor Plan button. This will create your floor plan and redirect you to the Edit screen. This is where you will make any changes to your floor plan. To exit the Edit screen, you can hit this back button. This will take you to the main table management screen. There's a lot of tools to unpack here, but we will cover all of them in future videos. Next, we will go over how to add sections to tables. First, we will need to return to the Edit screen. To do so, you can click this button here. From the Edit screen, you can set up sections. These act as labels to help visualize which tables are part of which section. Click on the Sections drop-down, add the name of your section, and click Add. Then to add a section to a table, you just need to click on the table, go to the Section drop-down, and select the section. As you can see, the table now has a colored border. Any tables you add this section to will have the same colored border. Sections are not required and many of our restaurants do not use them. However, they can be helpful depending on how you manage your floor plan. Now that your base floor plan is set up, we will go over creating different layouts, which act as a way to view and manage different areas of your floor plan. From this page, click on the Layout Manager button. This is where you can create different layouts. As you can see, your current layout is named Default. If you would like to change the name, you can update it here. To create a new floor plan, all you need to do is enter the name and click Create. Then to go into the new layout and edit it, just select the Edit button. All new layouts will be a copy of your default layout. Because I'm making a patio layout, I will delete the sections that are not part of the patio. To do so, you can either hold Shift and click on multiple tables, or you can hold Shift and click and drag over multiple tables. Either way will select multiple tables. You can then click the Delete Selected, which will delete all of the selected tables. Please note that this will only remove tables from this layout. Your default layout, as well as any other layouts, will not be affected. With all the unneeded tables and dividers removed, you can then move the rest of the tables to wherever you would like. To do so, you can either select the tables and then drag to wherever you need, or you can use the buttons on the right side. This will move the entire floor plan, as well as zoom in or zoom out. With the tables in place, click the Update Floor Plan button and your changes will be made complete. With your layout configured, you can hit the back button, which will take you back to the main table management page. This is where you will actually manage your reservations on a day-to-day basis. As stated earlier, we will cover how to do so in later videos. However, before we go, I do want to demonstrate how to switch between the layouts we created. To switch to a different layout, select the Switch Layout button, and then select the layout you would like to switch to. Anytime you switch layouts, the selected layout will be set as active, meaning if you go to another page, for example the reservation screen, and then come back, you will still see the selected layout. Okay, that's all for this video. To recap, we covered how to create a floor plan, how to edit the floor plan, how to add section labels to tables, and how to create and switch between layouts. Be sure to check out the other videos in our table management series to learn how to make the most of this feature. We know it's a lot of information, so if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. As always, thank you for watching and thank you for choosing 88 Restaurants.